Before you can start programming in Java, you will need the Java IDE, and this is also known as the Java Standard Edition. You will see it in Oracle. You will write it Java Standard Edition 12. This is actually 12. You will see other previous editions like 8, 7. They are also quite alright, but this is the latest version of Java, and this is the edition we'll be using in this tutorials. So you can go to oracle.com and download and install. Once you are done, once you install it, you'll see an interface like this. Once you launch and open it, this is what you'll see. How it actually works. Languages like Java, they are object oriented. That means you access the class by creating objects. And programming in such a language is called object oriented programming. You create programs by using objects of classes. So it allows the computer programmers to implement an object oriented design as a working system. All this we are going to see at the later part of this tutorial. It is very different from C. The C programming language is it uses a procedure. It's like a procedure, and it performs some tasks which are gathered and called functions, and those functions are grouped to form programs. But in Java, as we are going to see, is quite different from C language, though they share common similarities, but you will see that in Java we use the objects more often because it's an object-oriented program. You are done with your project, you want to save, use the extension .java. Then, so these are just this is just a brief introduction on how you can get started in Java. So you can get the most in Java when you try to apply everything that you have learned. Everything you've learned, you try to apply them. And when you try to create your own program, don't always type same code as you are saying on the screen. Don't always type same code. You try to change the codes and ensure that those codes that you change is working. Also, you can also try to think of program you want to create yourself. Then when you've gotten the idea, you can go to Google and get sample codes that you can easily assemble. And lastly, and this is a very important point, when you are coding, when you want to code, no matter what problem you want to run, you should try to break them down to step-by-step procedure. This will also help you to write a program that will be easy to understand by you and also others that will be using it in the future. So this is just an introduction. So in the next lesson, we're going to writing our first program. So thank you.